Hello, everybody. Hello, fellow traders. And hello to everyone who's watching this stream after the fact. I was surprised, but a lot of people, turns out, are watching the stream even after it's ended. But anywho, so let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes for everybody to come here and start working. So I have something to tell you guys. We have a little announcement in the Academy. Starting tomorrow, we will start a chat for every student in our Academy so that you can not only talk to each other on the streams, but you can actually talk to everybody through the Academy. So you can talk about your ideas, talk about your experience, and just connect. That's it. So let's see how many people we have already here. Hello, Mario. Hello, Ethic. Good morning. And Best, hello. Hello to everybody. We have 19 people, and that's amazing. That's amazing. Oh my God. So, I guess let's get started. Let's not waste our time. And today, as always, you can see that we have $10,500. And let me add a little rectangle right away because we kind of have a support level. But anywho, so go down, you little bastards. And resistance as well. Right. Yeah, somewhere right here. Okay, yeah, so as I said about the chat, starting from tomorrow in the morning, it's gonna be already up. But let's start working. We have currency pair EUR/JPY. We have some sort of, kind of support and resistance. Not sort of, kind of. The support is a weird one. We could actually do it like this, but I want to include that level as well, that the prices can actually react to that one. So that's why it's so thick. We'll see how it's gonna react, how the price is gonna react. But in any case, let's see what else do we have. This is our third stream, actually. We had 2 previous ones. We ended with profit with like around $100 and around 2,000 or 3,000, 1,000 or one. Oh, Jesus. 200/300, somewhere around here. Here we have a global trend going down. And where can we enter into a downtrend? The trend line is kind of all right. Let's put a visual for us. So just we have a little trend line right here and right here. Something like this. I don't know. I would probably want to find something more serious. I'd say maybe price would go back to that point, but meh. We will look at this trend line and maybe according to that we will open a deal. But for now, let's look at the chat. Let's go. I'm gonna hurry because a little bit late. What are you? No, we're not late. No, don't even think I'm gonna skip any days. No. Only days where I have little vacations and the weekends. But today we're working and everybody is already here, which is exciting. What do we have here? Nothing. And for now, I don't really see any good entry points for at least this moment. I want to sneeze so bad, but I can't. I don't know what's going on. So if you see me doing this, is because I'm trying to not to sneeze, or at least sneeze. Anywho, globally, obviously, we have an uptrend on this currency pair, but it's so weird where we can find an entry point for an upward trend. But if the price actually drops somewhere, oh shit, oh sorry, whoopsies. Yeah. like this. It would be perfect if the price would enter somewhere around this level, and from here we would try to find entry point for an upward trend, and we will have a little notification if the price reacts, which it's actually kind of reacting. So the next minute we're gonna look at this candlestick and watch what's gonna happen, and potentially that's gonna be first entry point for today. And let's look at the past. We don't have any resistance here, but let's change it to 5-minute time frame. No, we ain't got nothing there, so it's all right. Let's get back to 1-minute time frame. So we have 20 seconds left, and the price actually pushed downwards, which is kind of dangerous. What do you think? Leave the comments in the chat. But I think it's too early for us to enter into a deal right now, or maybe... now let's risk it for the biscuit. So the first deal for today, currency pair USD CAD for 3-minute expiration time, $50 from my balance account for an upward trend. What do we see here? We see that we have a global uptrend, and of course our main goal is to find entry point for an upward trend movement, and I kind of believe that I found it according to this level that worked twice as resistance, went back to it, and I believe that now it's going to be a support level and the deal is going to be closed in black. So let's look at the chat. How many people do we have already? All right, we have 33 people. Hello, everyone. Explore the world. Don't enter yet. I already did, sweetheart. Whoopsie doopsie. But I believe that it's gonna be a good one. If this candlestick is not gonna be closed in black, maybe next one is gonna be better and I will enter into another deal. Best. Practicing experience are key to become a successful trader in a real market. Yeah, sure, of course. Relaxing. Hey, Alice, you can put trade and demo immediately when I predict. In real market, it's hard for me to put a trade. I don't really understand. Why is it hard for you? Can you elaborate a little more? I don't really understand. Elaborate. Explain a little more. And yeah, explore the world. Yeah, you know. I'm sometimes really unpredictable because it's like, I don't know what to do. But the next second I'm like, frick it. Let's risk it for the biscuit. So we see that the price is kind of working all right. And now it's not. The fuck. So it's kind of dancing around, doing like a little consolidation right here. But I think it was a good entry point. At the end of the day, from this level, we can enter into another one. But I hope we don't have to do that because we have 44 seconds. And the price should go upwards. Should I behave like a mother again? Should I? Guys, help me. I'm the mother. You are the rest of the family. Tell this candlestick to go upwards. Yeah, see, like when we work together, it works great. I hate when it's doing that. It's like it reached some sort of level and there is freaking consolidation. The price is supposed to jump drastically upwards. But sometimes, yeah, it gets some sort of like resistance. But I hope we have 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was so risky, and Quotex doesn't show the notification. What are you doing, Quotex? Quotex, hello? Yeah, Quotex says it's like still open yet, but it's not supposed to be. The fuck is going on, Quotex? It makes me nervous. And that happens. Oh yeah, finally we got the notification, and the first deal is closed in black, which is amazing. And if you are actually working with me, which I do not recommend, but still, if the deal is closed in black, you need to send me a little plus in the chat. And if you are not copying my deals, it's even better. As I said, I do not recommend doing the same thing as I do right now. You need to just learn right now, because we can have some time difference in 1 minute. And I actually think that probably the price is going to reach this level again. Oh, maybe I will enter into another deal for an upward trend, but now let's move on. And first things first, let's look at the chat. What are you talking about? Hello, mentor. Hello. Oh yeah, guys, see, I see that you were helping me. That's nice. Relaxing. Give me. Oh, best. Why did you enter the trade at this point? Because the price actually reached the resistance level, which kind of turned into the support level, and that's why we opened and into a deal for an upward trend. And also there is a global upward trend. So guys, tell me, where are you from? Where are all of our students of the academy or even the channel? Tell me, where are you from and how is your week going? How did it start? Because today is Monday's first day of the week. So tell me how you're doing. And I see that this is some kind of a weird situation. So I would say, let me get a little rectangle. We have a demand zone, obviously, right here, starting there and putting it up to here. So right here we have two impulse jumps. Like the first one was the big one, and the second one is the bigger one. And right now, I do not think that this is a good point for entering the deal, but we're gonna get a notification and probably get into a deal for an upward trend. I'm sorry. Okay, GBP USD. What's going on here? We kind of had like a resistance level. Let me put a visual for you. Yoink. And by the way, guys, those who are copying the deals, pay attention to my risk management. The deal is opened for less than 1% for each one. So it's a really tight risk management. Why? Because on a stream, I'm risking more than usual to show you more deals than I do like in real life when I'm working. And the risk is higher that I'm gonna lose the money. So that's why I'm working with freaking Martingale. So if you are copying, pay attention to your risk management. Because this stream, oh, it's not a game. It's serious. Do you believe my words? I don't. So the situation is a weird one. The price is kind of trying to break through the level, so let's get a little notification if the price is gonna jump somewhere. I don't know. If the price is gonna go down, I'm not working with it because I do not understand what it's gonna do the reversal level, because we have like so many different levels. And for now, the downward trend is out of reach for us, so we're gonna work with upward trend on that one. But let's move on. GBP. Why? Nothing interesting. AUD CHF. CHF. What? Wow, we have a global trend going upwards, and right now there is a reversal. And you know what I'm thinking right now? We, of course, gonna put some trend line going downwards. Cut GPY. Oh, notification. Hello, hello. So the price reached that level, right? And it jumped upwards. So let's risk it for the biscuit. Let's probably... Oh, from here. Yeah. So CAD, GPY, Canadian dollar, and Japanese yen. 3-minute expiration time, $50 used for an upward trend from the demand level. I was already explained we had first impulse jump, the second impulse jump of the price. Before that, we had like not a big one, and in between also not a big one, and now we are expecting the price that it reached this level again and it will rise even higher with an impulse. So let's see what's up in the trade. Let's talk. We have 3 minutes. I'm so sorry for that. So many messages. I lost all my money this morning. The trade in real time is funny. Oh, Elite, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you lost all the money. Okay, so relaxing. India, Nigeria, Toronto, Jamaica, South Africa, again, Nigeria. That's so amazing, guys, that we have like so many different people relaxing. Yeah, with such a small initial balance, of course, you shouldn't copy my deals, because that's not going to be a good risk management, to be quite honest with you. Elite TV started in last month. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Oh, Germany. That's cool. Okay, best is from China. What? 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 That's crazy. Okay, guys. I'm really happy that we have a lot of different people watching our stream and learning new things. So right here, we actually have some sort of like a resistance level, which I'm kind of surprised. We shouldn't be afraid of that, but just we need to, like, you know, pay attention to that. But in next couple of minutes, we are safe and sound. We are safe and sound. Does the price go up? I'm going crazy. And I believe that this deal is going to be closed in black. Anywho, if someone didn't hear the beginning of the stream, I said that starting from tomorrow, for students of the Academy, you will have a new chat in which you guys can actually talk to each other, talk about your results, your wins, your losses, your ideas, everything that you want to, and I hope it's going to be a really useful instrument for everybody. But for now, we are getting it ready, like working with the pump system and everything else. So tomorrow morning, it's gonna be ready for you. So if you are a student of the Academy, so in the channel with the course, you will find a link to the channel for everybody else. So the deal is closed in black. We did great. We got our money. And again, as I said, on the channel with the course, you will find the link to the new chat where all of you can talk. So it's not just us on the stream sometimes, or you in the comments of the videos. You can actually communicate with each other. Anywho, so here we actually, I said that I'm not gonna work with a downtrend, and yeah, it looks like I made the right decision, because it looked quite dangerous. So here we actually started working with it. Yoink. We have a trend line, yoink, which I believe the price was supposed to break through, and it did. And of course, we are geniuses and are talking about something that already happened. But let me explain. Right here we have the support zone, and I had the idea that maybe we could enter into a deal for an upward trend if the price breaks through the trend line. What I think about it now, is it worth it to enter into a deal for an upward trend? I believe it's too risky, because, you know, you just need to wait maybe a little bit and the price will go back to trend line. But for now, it's risky. We have a lot of currency pairs available today, which is great. So let's move on to something else. AUD, USD. Something complicated. We obviously need to find a deal for an upward trend, but it's not obvious. Where is it supposed to be? So let's move on. And the payout is actually quite low. So GBP CHF. We have a global uptrend Oh, the really stable uptrend. And how can we find an entry point? Breaking through this level, maybe? So we kind of have triple top. Let me put a visual representation in a form of rectangle for you. A rectangle. Okay, so the level was somewhere here. And right now, the price actually broke through this level, kind, you know. So we can try to enter into a deal for an upward trend right now, but I am afraid that the price is going to go upwards and reach this level again, and maybe after retest, it will go upwards. I don't know. I think it's risky to do it right now. So let's put a little notification. So the price, if the price went, if the price, it's doing it right now. Thank you for the notification. Okay, so I am thinking, what do you think? Tell me, what do you think, guys? In general, I believe that it doesn't look that bad and we could enter into a deal for an upward trend. What do you think? But I'm kind of afraid of this like micro resistance level that the price didn't break through just yet. Leave comments in the chat with an explanation. What do you think? But I'm gonna try to catch a good point for an entry point and enter into a deal on a next candlestick. Yeah, so let's get started. Currency pair GBP CHF. 3-minute expiration time, $50 used for an upward trend. Let me explain. So we see a global uptrend and we understand we need to find an entry point for an upward trend. We kind of have some sort of level from which the price was dropping, and with the direction of a breakthrough, we entered into a deal for an upward trend. Obviously, it's a bit risky because price could actually grow and drop again, and that's the moment where we need to enter into a deal. But for now, it's a stream, and with my risk management, I can do stuff more. So let's look in the chat. 39 people are here. Hello, everyone who didn't hear me to say hello. And I'm so happy that each stream we have more and more people. That's so amazing. So if you want to help us and get more people to see the stream, so you can click the like button under the video, or you can just spam the heart in the chat. So anywho, best. I traded, I don't think I'm just sitting here the best. Ooh, good job. If you mean that this is your profit, $336, good job. Mario, you're the best. Oh, thank you, Mario. Thank you so much. I really want to start trade back, but my laptop just got stolen and I just don't want to do it again. I am so sorry. That's awful. How the hell did that happen? Why? Why? We're living in such an age where it's like so pointless to steal stuff like that. Ugh, I'm really sorry that happened to you. Explore the world. Listen, one day we'll probably try to do that, but for now I'm rarely using Hikinashi, so maybe one day we will try just for you, all of you guys, to see how it works. And yeah, Danny, hello, sweetheart. Hello, welcome to our fun place. So let's look at the chart again, and you can see that this one's supposed to be closed in black as well, and that's gonna be the third deal in a row. We didn't even trade for like 30 minutes and we have 3 deals. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. So anyways, if you are trading with me, then don't forget to send little pluses in the chat so I know that you are also getting money. And the deal is closed in black. That is amazing. If you got your money as well, send a little plus in the chat. Quota still didn't fucking send me the notification. Thank you. I feel like I have to cuss. If I cuss, Kodak sends me notification. The heck? So we have $127 in profit, and that's just the beginning, and that's amazing. So here, I don't know. I don't think we should work here. It's easy to understand that we need to enter into a deal for an upward trend, but I believe that if the price goes back to this level, then we are gonna work with it. But for now, let's move on. Let's move on. JBP, CAD. So it's a global uptrend, and we have obvious level of support. Let's put a rectangle. Didn't want you to hear that. Okay, so let's put it somewhere here. Right here. Yeah, like this. So if the price is going to react and go upwards, then there will be a deal for an upward trend. So let's put a notification. And by the way, someone asked me in the chat what kind of notification I'm using. So those notifications show me when the price reaches this level, and even if I'm using another currency pair, I will get a notification from this currency pair. And that means I can go back to it as quick as possible and see what's going on. That's the point of notifications. So the price actually jumped upwards from this level. I don't want to work with it. I don't know. No, I don't like it. No. Meh. Okay, next entry point. And I want to remind you that if you are watching the stream and you are not subscribed to the channel, that's a big mistake. Huge mistake. Never do that. You need to subscribe, of course, and click on that notification bell, because if you click on that, then you will get notifications when I'm streaming and get new videos up. And of course, if you're still not a student of our academy, the hell are you doing? Because listen to me, the academy is first of all free. Second, you get support from me and the supervisor. 3, you get separate content from the channel where we're talking about levels, we're talking about like different topics. 4th, we also have a course with like 9 lessons, video lessons, so why not? What are you doing? The link to my Telegram is under this stream, under each video on my channel. So just click on that, text me that you want to be a student of the academy, and that's all you need to do. It's not that hard, you know, easy as hell. So if you're not a student, the hell are you doing? Disrespect. Anywho, let's talk about the situation right here. We don't really have any specific levels from which we could enter into a deal. Generally, we kind of have the touch of the trend line. We have an engulfing candlestick, but it still is risky, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? But let's let the price reach the level again. And yeah, we are probably going to enter into a deal for a downward trend. But it's dangerous. Globally, yes, of course, that's a downtrend. And I would say like a deal for 30 minutes will definitely be closed in black, but for 3 minutes that we use, I'm gonna skip this one for now. Tell me, what do you think about that situation? What would you do if you would work right now, or if you are working? Tell me, what are you doing right now? Maybe I will find some other currency pairs with good situations. But for now, we are entering on a currency pair Euro USD for 3-minute expiration time, $50 from the balance, and this is a downward deal. So why we are doing this? Obviously, we have this thing going. Anywho, we obviously have a downtrend, and this is a kind of trend line that we can get. And the hell its price is doing. So the logic was that from this trend line, the price was supposed to do the reversal plus stochastic that is slowly going into the over bought area. And globally, I believe the downtrend is going to continue, but with this deal, I have a question. Are we going to lose the money or not? What do you guys think? We have a second. Let's look at the chat. 38 people online. Hello, hello, everyone. I'm so sorry I touched the mic. But I will start trade as soon as I get support from and help with another laptop or help add to my savings to get a new one. Yeah, I hope you will get that new laptop because this is a really important part of our lives for nowadays. Best, I've noticed that you stopped making many things I used to make before. Now they seem silly. Of course, sweetheart, you're growing and your old mistakes seem to be stupid for you, and that's great. I'm so happy for you that you are growing. Next one, but till then, I'll always try to stay inspired by you, Alice. I'm so happy that you're staying with us and you're even trying to learn, like watching videos and streams. That's great. Harry, if you're working with real currency pairs, you can see that demo and real account are completely the same, and I believe that's a question of psychology, because with demo account you are relaxed, you make less mistakes, and when you're working with real account you get so nervous, and that's why you make mistakes. Maybe I'm wrong, tell me if I'm wrong, it's okay, but from my background, from the stories of my students, I believe that that's one of the biggest things that happen to people. Okay, so we have 20 seconds, and I don't freaking think the price is gonna go down. Little. So obviously the downtrend is gonna continue, and maybe we should try to enter into a deal for a downward trend again? Does it look like it's gonna be a breakout? I don't see anything. So the deal is closed in red. We lost $50. So we're getting the step of Martingale ready using $100, and I'm thinking to enter into a deal for a downward trend again. Doing it again. What do you think? Tell me. I believe that the price should go down. Let's look in the past. Yeah. We don't really have any obvious levels, so I believe that the price is going to go down. So again, same currency pair. Euro USD, 3-minute expiration time, $100 used, and open for a downward trend. I believe the price should drop. Price should drop. They should drop. So by the way, when I'm looking at the chat, I'm opening a different window. You don't really see it, but my stream freezes for you. But everything moves. It's just because I don't see it because I'm trying to read your messages. So, explore the world. A trade with giving me good results so far. Well, that's amazing. Yeah, that's a good strategy. We actually talked about this in private messages. We talked about the strategy, and I believe it's a good one. It's a good choice. Why not? Why not? One possible reason in the trading life account. Emotion. Yeah, Best. That's what I was talking about. Best is helping me today. Best is the best. Thank you, sweetheart. But yeah, I think I answered all the messages. Guys, please do not forget to like up the stream and spam the hearts. And while you do that, don't forget to tell me how was the last week, and tell me if you have like a trading diary. Do you write it down like every week or maybe every day? If you have it, that's great. Tell me about that. For me, it's a bit easier. I have VIP channel where I publish all of the things that I do. So for me, it's easier. I don't have to have this journal, this diary, but I definitely want to say that it's a really, really good thing to have such like a diary or a journal for yourself, because you can actually see what kind of problems do you have, in what situations you're losing more money, and what you should focus on more. So What kind of freaking consolidation is going on here? We have 1 minute left. I need the price to go down. And if this one is going to be closed in red again, I'm going to move on to another currency pair. So let's prepare. But we will go to another currency pair because this one is not giving us anything good. And it actually seems like it's going to be a complete breakout, to be quite honest with you. Yeah, doesn't look quite good. Well, that's a whoopsie doopsie. Well, it is what it is. It's life. It's life. And you're just working, everything is great, and one fucking currency pair just destroys you. It is what it is. Deal is closed in red. We lost the money. So let's move on to another currency pair because I don't want to work with that one because we lost 2 times on that place. So here we have obvious resistance zone, but kind of stable uptrend. I don't know. Let me put a little visual for us. This zone, go away. And so let me explain. In general, of course, we would like to enter into a deal for a downward trend because we have 2 aggressive impulses going down, but globally we have an uptrend. Let's change it to 5 minutes. Yeah, generally we had an uptrend, and I'm not sure if we should work against that. Oh, GBP CAD, come here, you little one. We have a notification from this currency pair where the price actually went back and broke through this level, and it is moving upwards. Globally, we are in uptrend. I'm gonna enter into a deal for an upward trend right now. Currency pair GBP CAD. British pound and Canadian dollar, expiration time 3 minutes, $200, and it's an uptrend. So someone asked to show 5-minute time frame as well on the streams. So let's see. So here we see a global uptrend, a really good uptrend. And at this level actually met a little bit of support, broke through it for a second, but now the price is actually moving backwards, upwards. So we are working with it now, and let's see what's gonna happen. We have 2 minutes, and it's we entered a little bit higher than I would like to, but I hope the price is gonna grow because candlesticks show me that in general it looks quite good. At least I hope so. So let's look at the chant. Let's look at the chant. Oh, so many messages, Like the stream, guys. Explore the world. Thank you. Thank you for the support, guys. Like the stream. Like the stream, please. Oh, what else? I'm done today. 15 plus in 3 months. You are doing freaking great. That's an amazing result. Nice one, Homa. Hello there. What time frame do you use? Usually I use a 1 minute time frame, but sometimes I look at a 5-minute time frame to see the global trend and what the hell is going on the chart right now. What is going on? So I'm done. There is no reason for the price to go down. We have a great uptrend, global uptrend. Here we had a stochastic crossover, so we have all the signals that the price should grow. Wow. It's because you're not liking the stream, guys. That's you. That's on you. It's not me. I'm just joking, but I'm hoping that at least price is gonna jump upwards again, but it doesn't seem like it's going to. Meh. Well, it's not a good one. It's not a good one. So let's do another step of Martingale, which I don't really like doing. But again, as I said on the stream, there is a big difference of how I work in real life and what I show you in the academy and in the videos on YouTube. Here I am being less cautious and trying to show you as many situations as possible. So, guys, if you looked at the chart and you see any logic of price doing the reversal, tell me in the comments because I do not understand what happened. But for now, let's move on and try to find something better. So, breakthrough, and it's too late for us. Maybe from the retest we could enter into a deal for an uptrend, but for now, lost the moment. Next, let's see. Here we missed the pullback. Again, it's too late. Euro, GBP. Again, we have an opportunity to enter. And here we entered into 2 deals and lost the money 2 times. So do we want to do it again? Do we want to do it again? What do you think? In general, there is an obvious, amazing downtrend. The whole day, somehow price was dropping. So, what do you think? But right here, we need to look at what's gonna happen to the trend line. What do you think? Tell me, what do you think, guys? In general, it looks a-okay, but I want to know your opinion because we lost 3 times, and Stochastic also is in a weird position. It doesn't give us any signals right now. So tell me, what are you thinking? I'm gonna put a angle, and I'm kind of afraid that the triangle pattern can actually happen here. So I suggest that we wait the price to break through one of the sides. Oh, geez, Louise, I'm so sorry. I sneezed. Oh, I don't know where I'm sneezing today. I think I have freaking hay fever or something. So right here, we see that we have a certain level and maybe we will have an entry point. Yoink. So right here, it starts and it kind of goes here. So maybe we will have an entry point for a downward trend. I'm not sure just yet. So let's say if the price reaches this level where we're going to get a notification, we are going to enter into a deal for a downward trend. So let's move on. GBP AUD. Something weird is going on the market because we have some really interesting drops and rises of the price. In general, I do not like what's going on. I actually am thinking about maybe stopping right now because the market is kind of unpredictable in my opinion, and maybe we should do another stream a bit later. So for this second, I do not like anything. Okay, yes, see, all the trend lines are broken through. Everything is correct. Do you know what? I am actually thinking that we can risk here at this moment. Let me look at the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, so on a 5-minute time frame, it's not an obvious situation. We kind of have this level. Give me 1 second to put a visual for you, for me, myself, and I. So, in general, we have a level somewhere here, and it goes through this one. So the price reacted to this level, right? Let's get back to a 1 minute time frame. Yoink. And if we have to jump from this level, I actually think we're gonna risk it for the biscuit. AUDCHF. A deal for an upward trend for 3 minute using for $100. We see this level, the price broke through it, and from here I'm expecting the price to go upwards. Additionally, Stochastic gives us the signal for going upward, and of course we're entering into a deal for an upward trend. So I believe that this drop is just the point from which from this pullback, oh my god, from this pullback we should go upwards. So in general, this is a good point where we entered into a deal. So let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart. Oh, so many messages, so many messages. Explore the world. Okay, yeah, you are using it correctly. Good job. Wow, did you start live streaming? Yes, we started last week, and this is the third official live stream. We had 4 of them actually, but the first one was kind of just a test stream. That was a retest, probably. Yeah, probably it was. You're the only real binary trader. Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's so nice. GBP breakdown 200 SMA. I think I've lost the moment at this point, but I will look at it. I will look at it. Risk it for the biscuit. Yes. Yes. That's the point of my life. Wait for Stochastic, give you signal below 80 or 20. Yeah, that's actually one of the examples which we use Stochastic here as well. So we see that at the moment where we entered a deal, somewhere here, we actually had a signal from Stochastic. So we have 1 minute late. 1 minute late. Guys, if one of you is a student of our academy, you can share your opinion about your experience about the academy with others if you have something to say. Oh, oh shit. Oh shit, it looks so good. Look at this currency pair. Let's open the $50 one here. Just should I, or should I not? But I will. Or I won't. Anywho, let's wait for this one to be closed. As I said multiple times, I hate entering into multiple deals at the same time because it's just a bit too much, but that situation looks amazing. So we have 16 seconds left for this currency pair, and the price actually reacted to that level. What the fuck? We have 9 seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. All right, so the deal is closed in black, and we got all the money that we lost previously, which is freaking amazing. So euro dollar. Oh, not all the money, but anywho, entering into a deal on a currency pair euro dollar. Here we have the zone from which the price actually dropped. It jumped upwards, it went down, and right now with an impulse it is dropping down. And for now I hope we entered into a deal at the right time. Euro dollar, euro US dollar, 3 minute expiration time, $50 used for my account, 4-8 downward trend. Let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart. For the world. Yeah, I know that you are a student. I know. Patrick, thanks, Alicia. Okay, Patrick, was nice having you here. Have a good one. Car. Yeah, those are actually daily streams. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you should, and click on that notification bell so you will be notified when I'm streaming. Miriam, lady entered the short position. I hope you entered in at the same point, at least somewhere at the same point as we did. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh, I don't like what's going on here. We almost have 2 minutes. That's not good. Let's try to find something else, so we don't waste time, you know, maybe we'll find something. No. And I will come back to that currency pair closer to the end, but for now we don't really have a lot of entry points, so I don't want to miss any places. So while I'm doing that, I want to remind you that if you're still not a student of the academy and you want to be, and you want to get the course, you want to get the support from me and supervisor, there is a link to my Telegram in a description box of the stream in every video. And just text me there, text me on my Telegram. And additionally, we are gonna have, starting tomorrow, a new chat for all the students to talk about stuff, get the strategies, explain to each other. If you want to talk about your experience, you can connect. But anywho, for now, I would say from this candlestick, it would be a good idea to enter into a deal, but let me put a little trend line. But yeah, in that new chat, you can find other people who have same experience or probably ask additional questions from people who went through that same thing. Because I believe talking to people, for fuck's sake, talking to people who's doing the same thing, it's always beneficial. And the deal is unfortunately closed in red. So now we need to wait for the price to go back to that level. And if we would enter into a deal where I wanted it, we would get the money. But it is what it is. I wanted to catch this moment. But yeah. Anyway, let's move on to something different. No, not this one. What? Euro dollar, euro dollar, euro dollar. Yep. Okay. What's going on here? Let's see what's gonna happen with the candlestick. If, well, maybe not if. Let's see. Let's just wait for a second, a minute in this case. Because the price could actually break through this level right now. Because it's like flying so intensely. This is interesting. But I don't believe in that. So let's enter into a deal for a downward trend on a currency pair, Euro, US dollar. This is the second deal on this currency pair. The same logic that we had before. From the same level we entered into a deal. I would actually want to enter a bit higher, but I hope it will work for us. So for this deal to be closed in black, I really need you to like this stream and of course spam the hearts in the chat. I believe that it kind of makes the win rate higher by 20%. That's for sure. If you don't believe me, you need to check. Just try to like the stream and try to press the hearts, press the hearts. I missed the live. I'll rewatch. Yeah, Tony, you can watch the stream a bit later because I save all of them. So it's good. You're a GPY, someone said. Let's see what's going on there. Euro, a GPY. What's happening? So from that retest, from that pullback, but I mean, we kind of entered a bit too late, unfortunately. Maybe next pullback. Let me go back to the chat. Back to the chat, back to the chat. Can you open now for a downtrend? King, what currency pair? Which one are you talking about? If you're talking about euro dollar, then I actually already did that. So yeah, like guys like the stream, there is 40 of us, only 4 likes. We actually have 0 likes on the stream, but maybe I just my stream is lagging, so not surprising. But anywho, yes guys, please like the stream. Oh shit, the price went back to the level. We have 1 minute and I expect the price to drop because it finally reached the level. So now the logical thing for the price to do is drop back down. I said drop back down. Drop your shit. The hell are you doing? It's not respecting me. It's a hard stream today. It started good, but for now, it's like, yeesh. Yeesh. The market is quite confusing, to be quite honest. So we have 20 seconds left, and why are you frozen? I don't like it. I don't like it. What the hell? So this is the second time we got to $200 using Martingale. So I'm not sure if we want to enter for a downward trend, or maybe from the break of the level we should enter into a deal for an upward trend. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm not sure. Anywho, I'm definitely not working for an upward trend on this currency pair, and that means I'm gonna move on. Euro GPY, we lost the momentum. I know what you're talking about. If you entered into a deal, that one is supposed to be closed in black 100%, but unfortunately, I lost the moment. If you did enter into a deal, you did a great job, amazing job, because there is such a good pullback. So use the GPY here. Meh. Nothing. Nothing. Let's move on. I want to enter for an upward trend here now. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I use, again, this moment on the currency pair Euro US dollar? What are your ideas? For me, it looks too risky at this point, so I will move on, but you should definitely tell me, what do you think about that? Let's discuss it. But we need something, some better. We have great trends today. Like, look, obviously here we need to enter into a deal for an upward trend, obviously. But with the pullbacks, it's like so weird today. It's a weird situation on the market. GBP USD. Nope. Nope. Eh? What's going on here? The payout is disgusting. It's disgusting. I don't like it, but maybe from this level, the price actually went back to it and it will rise again. But do we want to work with it with 78% of payout? Ugh. Generally, we could enter into a deal for an upward trend, so I'm gonna put a little notification for us right here. But the payout is so bad. Yeah, I would probably try to find something for an upward trend, but not now because the payout is not great. AUD, USD. We don't have a lot of entry points, which is upsetting. Here we have a breakout. Oh. Oh. What's going on? Or it's a real deep retest. Yeah, it's not a breakout. So, AUD, CAD, I thought this was actually a breakout, but nope. This is the different situation. The structure of the trend is not broken through. We have the swing high and the swing low, and the price is in the middle, so downtrend continues. And of course, also, give me 1 second, we have a royal pullback. A royal pullback, imagine that. So from this level, 1 sec, something like that. So look at the chart. We have a downtrend. The price drops, rises, drops till this level, jumps upwards, breaks through this level, and it went back to that level. So from here, I expect the price to actually drop as well, and Stochastic actually gives us the signal as well, so we have all the confirmation that's possibly can be in this situation. So I hope the price is not gonna do me dirty. And yeah, let's wait. So how is your day going? Tell me. If someone is working with me at the same time, tell me how is it going for you. My shows 31 like. For me, it still shows not 1, 0. Like, what the hell? When you're coming to online again, Mom? Tomorrow, probably at the same time as today. Cloud, Ichimogi Cloud. That's a really interesting indicator, but I don't really use it because it's a bit complicated, to be honest. Explore the world. It might drop again. I think you're talking about euro dollar. Yeah, it might drop, but I don't want to work with that one again. Felix. Anti-Martingale. I believe that it is actually possible, Felix. I believe that constantly using Martingale is not good. The thing that I'm doing on the stream is not the way you're supposed to work all the time. I do it only on the stream because I want to enter into more deals. That means that I have higher risk of losing money, so your win rate drops as well. But for you to be in plus, you need to use Martingale situations like that. CAD, CHF, I will look at that one in a sec. It's a pity the podcast is yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that we have a little time delay, but it's not my fault. It's like YouTube does that sometimes. And for me, I don't really have anything going wrong, but I know it's not going to be good for you with the time difference. So we have 1 second left and we got the money. Ding, 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 ding. That's amazing. The deal is closed in black and Quotex doesn't give me the notification, which I do not care anymore. So $111 for today is our profit, and I think the situation on the market is quite tense, so I believe that's going to be enough for today. Give me 1 second. Yep, with the euro dollar breakout happened actually, so that's good that we didn't go again for a downward trend, but we lost the moment with a breakout, but I do not care at this point. Do not care. So thanks everyone for being here on the stream. Subscribe to the channel, click on that notification bell, go to our Telegram, get to our Academy, and we will be all together because tomorrow we have a new feature, which is a chat for everyone who is in the Academy to talk to each other. But that's going to be it for us for today. I will see you tomorrow on the stream.